Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how we create this tie-dye outfit. It is so quick, so fun, and cute to do for the summertime, and it's very, very inexpensive. So stay tuned. We hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, so as you can tell by the title, we're going to recreate a look that's so in trend right now, but I wanted to do it with Shy so it can be something fun and kind of, you know, unique. So first off, you're going to need to get the One Step tie-dye kit. They have different ones, different combos, so I decided to get this one because what it says, up to 30 projects. So it comes with purple, fuchsia, turquoise, lime, and yellow, and those colors are so cute to me. So I mean, who doesn't like those colors in tie-dye? So I got this idea from this set that I bought from Walmart, and I went in there the other day just to see if it is still available. I believe it is, but it's like selling out. So the top was like $4 or $5. It's like a little tank, and then the bottoms were about the same amount. So if you just want this look and you don't want to recreate it, here's an option, and you can go and buy that. Target also has these cute little shorts, and these were the same price as the white ones, I believe. And the white ones are $4, and I got a 3T. Shy is actually 2 years old, but you know, anything cotton kind of shrinks a little bit, so keep that in mind whenever you're buying something for your child. And if they've never worn biker shorts, just keep that in mind, because these were the exact same shorts, and she's probably worn them, I believe she's only worn them one time, and you can tell how much it has shrunk. So if you want to just size up and your child can wear longer, that's what I choose to do. So there are the shorts. I got the biker shorts, size 3T from Target. Then I got just a white tee from Target as well. I also got a 3T, and this one is $4. So 4 and 4, $8 for that whole outfit. And then at Hobby Lobby, where I also got, you know, the tie-dye kit from, I went ahead and got one of their shirts because I didn't know what type of shirt I wanted to get, and this is the Creations of Grace brand, and I got a 2T in this, just because it is like way bigger in my opinion than like a regular tee. So let me see if I can show you guys the difference. Well, not way bigger, but big enough that I didn't need to get this shirt in the 3T. So okay. I also wanted to try and tie-dye this headband from Cat and Jack, Target brand as well. And these are, I'm sorry guys, I don't know why my autofocus is tripping. There it goes, $5.99. So, well, I mean, it's not a bad price because you're actually getting two, but I'm going to tie-dye this the same color as I'm doing for these, for this set. So this is all going to match. And if you can tell on camera, this is a lot brighter than this set, but don't be alarmed because we are tie-dyeing it, so it doesn't have to be like, oh my god, the whites don't match. That does not matter. I'm going to open this. Ugh. Okay. Let me see what we have. Lime, fuchsia, turquoise, purple, and yellow. So exact same thing that they had listed on the packaging, and they give you the different ideas of how to make your tie-dye pieces. So we're just gonna put that to the side, and yeah. So the instructions wanted us to pre-wash this load. What, girl? So yeah, I'm gonna pre-wash it. I didn't want to use any detergent because I don't know. I've seen other people who didn't use detergent, So the instruction says that you should put on gloves before you do the next step, but I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna be very careful. So, good thing is they already have powder in every one of these, so the extra dye that we took out of the box is just gonna be extra. So you can use that for the next time. So, let me start. I'm gonna add water. Okay guys, so for the bullseye design, you're going to take your shirt and twist it around. Make sure it's nice and tight. Once you get it nice and tight, you're going to secure your rubber bands. The rubber bands are going to prevent the dye from slipping to the next section. So I'm just going to place 2 rubber bands and secure them tightly, as you can see. So one at the top, which will be one color, and then the second rubber band is going to separate into 2 different sections. So giving me 3 total sections.
You got me. Here we go. Here we go. Bye.
Okay, so for the next design, which is the design that you saw in the very beginning, is the stripes design. I'm going to take my tee, fold it in a hot dog style, and then fold it once again. And I'm going to secure 4 sections with the rubber band. You don't have to do 4 different sections. You can do however many you would like, but I decided to do the 4 sections.
This one. This one. This one. No, man. Shot. No.
Get back. Get back. Go get whatever else you want to tie-dye, Shy.
Okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
I'm going to repeat the 4 sections on the biker shorts and the hair bow. I'm going to do it in a way that it will be 4 lines straight across. So just the same steps as a t-shirt on the tights and the bow. Okay, wait. Vivian, you gotta put your gloves back on. Put your gloves back on. Where are your gloves? Where are your gloves? Okay? Okay, so I started with the bullseye design. On the instructions, it said that you want to quickly use the mixture within 45 minutes of making it. So also I'm with my daughter, and I didn't want to make any more mess than I had to. So for the bullseye design, I did 1 section pink, 1 section blue, and 1 section green. You may see some of the dye kind of go down, kind of spread into the next section. Even though I tied the knots really tight, when I tied the rubber bands really tight, it's because I'm using this garbage bag on my concrete, and so some of that dye that was left over kind of went into that other section, but that doesn't matter. So for the stripes design that we did on the beginning of the video, you just want to make sure that you can do any colors that you choose, but I chose to do these colors just impromptu. So you want to make sure that you're pushing that dye within the fabric so that it sticks. Like I said, it was very, very hard to try to make this as neat and as perfect as possible, and that wasn't a big thing for me. I wanted to do this with my daughter and have her see the colors. It just was really fun. So if you want to make it super perfect, I advise you not to have your child around and just do it and just give it to them afterwards. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm pushing that dye within the fabric. I noticed that with the Target brand, it was a little bit harder, I guess because it's a thicker cotton, to get the dye to stick onto the fabric. Okay? Okay, get back.
And mine.
Okay, I'll give you that one. Okay, come over here so I can give it to you. And you can see with the yellow and green, it was giving me a hard time because, like I said, the dye that was being left over on my trash bag was just seeping into the next section. But like I said, this was something meant to be fun, not to be a headache for me. So I wasn't too much tripping on that.
Mom. Mama.
Put your glove on.
It's my mama.
Glove. Get up, get up. You're gonna get it on your face. Oh, you got it all on your hand. It's fine. Not a big deal. Shy, wanna do it? As you guys saw, that was a hot mess, but it was a lot of fun. It did stain my hands, so I advise you to use these different type of gloves whenever you're working with a tie-dye. Okay, so I did leave my dye on my shirts for a whole 24 hours. You do not have to leave them that long. You're going to put them in a plastic bag and leave them for at least 2 to 3 hours. I left them for 24 hours just hoping that the dye would stick, since I was having a hard time getting the dye to stay on the fabric. I did have an issue with the bows where the dye just completely rinsed out. But that's fine. This was just an activity. Like I said, I wasn't going to let it give me a headache. Since I had such a hard time with the headbands from Target, I went ahead and got some headbands from H-E-B. They were a lot thinner, and I thought that the dye would stick to those a lot better. Okay guys, so I did wash and dry the sets. Here is the bullseye shirt with the pink, green, and blue. Here's the striped set that we made with the matching biker shorts. For the tie-dye experts, no, they're not perfect like we said, but here are the headbands. Here's the one I got from H-E-B. I don't know why it came out a lot lighter, and then the one from Target, it just, I don't know what was up with that one, but it's not a big deal. I was going to use those other headbands that I got from H-E-B since they kind of correlated with the outfits anyways. So if you like this video, like I said, give us a like, subscribe, and a comment, all of that good stuff. Make sure you turn on your notification bell and let us know if you tried this style on your daughter or son. It was super cute. She got a lot of compliments on it, so I hope you guys would try it, and I hope and know that you guys would love it.